everyone, I have finally bought a new set of batteries, so we're going to have a proper rip today with 4 good batteries and 3 bad dying batteries. Hopefully I can get through all of them without breaking anything. We are going to be using the backup quad today. The tubular quad still needs to be fixed, so maybe I'll do that later today, honestly. But let me show you this spot. I haven't been here in a minute. The main attraction are these pine trees right here, which you can fly at least low through the tree trunks, which is pretty fun, but other than that, not a lot going on. There used to be a big tall tree right there, but it's been cut down since the last time I've been here, so that's unfortunate. That was always fun to fly over and mess with. All right, so this is post-flying Tim, and we're gonna do the classic damage report because there's a lot of stuff broken yet again. So first up, I did crease one prop, so I had to replace one prop, which that's pretty normal, but the rest of it is not very normal. The power adapter that powers the GoPro, because my GoPro is half broken, broke twice. This red wire came off. Luckily, I just fixed my portable soldering iron power adapter yesterday, so I was able to resolder this wire twice. And then the big issue I was having with this quad is when I would hit things, I would lose video momentarily, and then I had a big crash and I've just lost video altogether. And when I power it on, it's not making the full initialized sequence of beeps, so that to me indicates that I'm not getting control signal to the flight controller. I think part of that has to do with the fact that I've lost an antenna on the receiver board there. So the backup quad is about as broken as it could be. You have no video signal, no control link, and I kind of just want to redo the whole backup quad setup because flying it today, I mean, it gets the job done, but I really don't like the higher kV motors. These ones are 2140 kV. I much prefer the 1922 kV on the tubular quad, just so much easier to control. And the new batteries just exacerbate that problem because obviously they have way more power, and when you're in a tight spot like this, that's not what you want. Also, now that I've spent a little more time with this different camera with the wider field of view, I don't think I really like it because it's so wide, it's a lot harder to judge your speed, and that combined with the less controllable power of the higher kV motors is really not a good combination for a tight spot like this. But nevertheless, we still got some flights in, so hopefully the footage is decent. So enjoy the flight, and thanks for watching.